Can you sit? He can get it at headquarters.
Siri, what's Mario's number?
Put her ass in there. You can have. You've been on the phone with your lawyer the whole time. All right, so she gets it with restriction now. No.
So how would he even do that?
One shot.
Why would he do that?
Marv.
Roll the window down. How you doing, Officer Lacerda with the Hoboken Police Department? Can I get your license, registration, insurance, please? Is there any reason why we're parked here?
Yeah, because I'm waiting for my boyfriend.
You're waiting for your boyfriend?
Yeah.
Okay. And what are we doing here? Why you slumped over?
I slept over. I'm waiting for him to come down.
Okay. And why were you sleeping?
Waiting for him.
Okay. All right, do me a favor. Shut the car off. Let me get your license, registration, insurance. Hello?
Yeah.
Let me get your license, registration, please.
Where are you?
11. We have anybody feel sobriety?
Where are you? The cop stopped me because I tried to give you. That's it. It's done for me. And from the fucking planet, keep walking. You'll see me. It's done. Yeah. Don't do nothing. Don't.
Why are you driving my car?
All right, do me a favor, man. Just step to the side, please. I'm on a motor vehicle. Stop. This is your girlfriend?
Yes.
Okay. What happened to your head?
I fell and I...
Okay, let me get your ID. You do have your ID. I see it right there.
No, that was my last ID.
Officer,
You don't have your ID?
Just...
Do me a favor. Just step off to the side for me, please.
Why'd you take my car like that, babe? I can't, bro. Oh, fuck.
My man, do me a favor. Step to the side, please.
I'm to the side right now,
No,
bro.
further back, please. All the way back.
I can't, bro.
Why's that?
I feel terrible right now.
Okay, do me a favor. Step back. Right now, you're interfering with my investigation.
Dude,
Yes, you are. You're in my investigation.
What's
Step
up?
back. Step back, please. Take a step back. Yes.
A picture of what?
Let me get your ID.
No, you're not getting my ID. You
What's
could arrest me because I have my fucking
You
lawyer.
don't want to give me your ID?
Thank you for telling me that.
You don't want to give me your ID?
She does. Who says she doesn't want to?
No, my lawyer is gonna do better.
I want to know what's going on. Why were you slumped over?
Why am I not going to? It's a fucking cold day, right?
It's a cold day. The car was on. You're sleeping. I'm wondering if
And
you're
the
okay.
heater is on.
I understand
No?
that, but you can't be sleeping in the
But
public
you cannot
roadway.
come at me like that.
Like
Do you know
what,
how many
miss?
times I've been fucking abused by men? Oh no, you
Miss.
don't. No, you don't. No, you don't.
Let me get your ID, please.
No, you're not gonna get anything.
I'm not gonna get anything.
I wasn't driving anything, right?
All right, do me a favor. Step
Yeah,
out.
You can.
Step out.
You can. My
Step
lawyer's
out.
gonna do better.
Okay, do me a favor. Step out.
Promise you.
Because I'm asking you to back up. And I'm chilling, bro.
Brian?
I'm asking you to back up. I'm chilling, bro.
My man, please back up.
No, I'm chilling, bro. I'm chilling.
Step out of the vehicle, please. Step out of the vehicle, please, miss.
What? No. Actually, I'm coming here right now.
Miss, get out of the car before I pull you out. Get out of the car.
Excuse me, I would love it.
Please
But
get out of the
this is what you
vehicle.
wanna do, right?
Please give me your ID. Please give me your
I
registration.
don't have.
Please give me your insurance.
Brian, where's your registration? Where's your insurance? Brian, where's your registration? Where's your insurance?
I got my insurance right in my...
In here and there. Because he has one.
Do me a favor, step out of the vehicle.
I'm not
No,
going
she doesn't
to.
have to.
Because I wasn't driving.
This is my insurance right here.
Because I wasn't driving.
That's fine.
January
You were
11th.
driving. You're operating the
Oh,
vehicle.
yeah, right?
No, she wasn't. She was
How?
parked. She
Because
was
I turned
parked.
on the car for the heater.
She was
Because
parked.
he was still inside.
She was
All right,
parked.
thank you for the
She
insurance.
was
Step back,
parked,
please.
but she
Please
was
step back,
parked.
please. I'm gonna tell you
Officer?
again, or you're gonna get arrested.
Why
You're
you
gonna
gotta-
get arrested.
Pause right there. Eileeni is using the classic I wasn't driving, I was just using the heater defense. Legal reality check. In New Jersey, simply sitting behind the wheel with the engine running constitutes operation of the vehicle. You don't need to be moving to catch a DWI. Would you have argued this or just complied? Drop your verdict in the comments.
My insurance.
Do me a favor, step out of the vehicle,
No,
please.
I'm not.
Miss, if you don't come out of the vehicle, I'm gonna have to pull you out of the vehicle. Okay?
what? For sleeping in a car?
Miss, I pulled up. You were
Mario.
completely slumped over. Okay, miss?
This motherfucker
Please come out of the vehicle.
I was sleeping in a car. For what?
Do me a favor, step out of the vehicle, miss, before I pull you out of the vehicle. Please. I need your license, registration. Listen to your lawyer.
He
Okay?
already had it.
I need your license, registration. I don't need insurance. I have that
My
already.
registration is also on my phone.
Okay. Please give me your license before we have to take this a step further.
I don't want my fucking money.
You got my
Fucking
insurance,
bag
right?
and everything.
I got your insurance. Thank you,
So
sir.
let me give you my registration.
No, I wasn't. I was sleeping in the fucking car again.
Where in the car? Were you sleeping in the passenger seat or the driver's seat?
Driver's seat because I turned it on to fucking put it on.
Huh?
It's bullshit.
The vehicle was on. It was here. I was hitting the sirens. Nothing. Do me a favor, miss. Step back over here, please.
Sorry, I want to be nice.
I've been being nice to you. Step to me, please. That's all I've been asking you. All I asked for tonight was your ID, registration, insurance,
I don't
and
have
it was
my
everything
ID.
else.
You want to look at my fucking wallet?
Okay, that's fine. No, I don't have to go through your wallet. You don't have your ID.
All of a
That's
sudden,
fine.
right? Because there's people here.
Now that you're out of the vehicle, thank you. Where were you? Where were you tonight?
Here.
Where's here?
Do you see where the car is parked?
You were in Lola's.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what here means. Okay, have you had anything to drink tonight?
No.
No? Okay. So when I pulled you over and you were slumped over, you were receiving a couple
'Cause
calls.
it was
Hold on, can I please
cold.
talk? Can I please talk? You were getting numerous calls on your phone. I saw it on your phone, right? I don't know who was calling you, but you were slumped.
was.
Hold on. You were slumped
was
over,
calling her,
right?
yeah.
Okay,
I
but
was
she
calling
okay,
her.
hold on. You were slumped over, right?
Fucking looking for her.
It took me what? 5 knocks for you to actually wake up, okay? Now I have reason to
anyone.
believe when you're talking to me and I'm being cooperative, your eyes are shaking, right? That's what we have,
So
right?
do the light on me.
That's fine. That's
Are
why I
they
have an
shaking?
officer. Yes, we're gonna do that. Yes, Yes. we are gonna do that.
You don't think so?
So do me a favor. Put your purse here.
Don't touch my purse.
Put your purse
I
down,
have a lot
miss.
of money. I could.
Okay, thank you.
Don't touch my fucking
Okay.
purse.
Let me hold the purse. Let me hold the purse. No. That's crazy.
Mario?
Yeah.
What's the first name?
What?
Her name is Eleni.
He's recording.
He has a body cam. Just
There's a body cam and we got camera on him too.
Have you?
Eleni. Eleni.
I got you and I'm sending back.
Eleni.
Yes.
You gotta do me a favor. I understand that's your lawyer. I'm sorry, I don't want to keep yelling. That's your lawyer?
Mark.
Just for social reasons. And it's okay.
Just give me
That's
just
all.
do me a step back.
And that's okay.
Eleni, right? I'm pronouncing it right. I have to test you, okay, for field sobriety. All right. If you could just do me a favor, I understand that's your lawyer. If you want to call him back after everything is done, so then you got to put the phone down because I can't test you with the phone in your hand. Okay, thank you. Is there anything like that's gonna prevent you? No.
You want to-
Here, can you?
Because she has to, not you.
You're not under arrest, so I don't need to search anything. Is there anything that's gonna prevent you from walking? Because I have to do a few tests that's gonna prevent you. Do you have anything wrong with your legs, knees, anything?
Just my knees.
Your knees? Like what's wrong with it?
I have to go to aromatherapy
Okay.
for them to check my
I got you.
genetics.
Are you able to balance anything like that? Are you okay with balancing? Which knee is it?
Both, to be honest. I
Both?
went to the doctor like 3 months ago. Nothing to do with us.
Yeah, I don't know who that is. You have no idea who that is? Is he with you?
Yeah,
He's
not
with him?
him.
Okay. Anyways, just do me a favor. Could you put your hands to your side and put your feet together? Thank you.
Look, can we go somewhere where it's level?
Yeah, absolutely.
You can see it.
Come on, we go across the street. Right here. By the bike lane. Nick, can you do me a favor? Shut off the lights? Yeah.
I was driving, right?
Okay. Stand right here. Okay. Do me a favor.
Wait.
Yeah, no problem.
Why are your face on me?
You get taken back to the police station. You have to blow breathalyzer. Make sure you blow the breathalyzer.
I will. I always do. But this is bullshit. I really didn't drive the car. This is like fucking 4D shit.
I'll deal with you later, but just be cooperative. Don't.
I am cooperative. It was that fucking piece of shit,
Alright,
little
no,
fucking
no, no.
midget ass piece of shit.
He just talk to him afterwards, okay? I gotta get this done.
Okay.
Okay? Just do me a favor. Put your hands to your side. Feet together. Okay. What I want you to do, just put your hands to your side. Okay? What I want you to do is just follow the tip of the pen. What color is the tip of the pen?
Blue.
The tip.
All right.
Just put your feet together for me. Okay. The only thing I want you to do is just move your head. Just move your eyes and not move your head.
That's very hard. I'm dyslexic, but okay.
What? What is it?
Dyslexic.
Okay. All I need you to do is just move your eyes, not your head, okay? Look at the tip of the pen.
Sorry, unit. We walk in. Some people theft out of 1500
Don't move your head.
Avenue, Port Imperium. A couple of minutes in the past. Car was routing southbound in for a town.
I know it's
Going
cold.
to be a
Give me a second.
2022 white Honda CRV. Bearing the reg of uniform 5.
Just keep your hands to your side. I'm sorry. I know it's cold. You gotta keep your hands to your side, okay?
2022 white Honda CRV. Tag of uniform 5-3 Papa Michael uniform. Last
Just,
seen
I need you to just move your eyes, okay? It's a test. It's part of the test.
Can I get my coat?
In a second. Just let me finish this.
Okay.
Okay. I'm just gonna go up, okay?
And if you know that area, that's no gas station we walk unless you walk all the way up.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. Alyssa, if anybody comes down this way, just direct them the other way, right?
134 Alpha in service.
Just negative. No Alpha service.
Alright. The next is gonna be a walk and turn test, okay?
I have flat feet. You cannot.
I have to test you, okay? It's part of the
Mario.
whole field sobriety.
They want me to do the fucking walk again. I cannot do that. I have flat feet.
So, how you pronounce your name? Eleni?
Eleni.
Eleni.
What? What?
Follow the instructions. You're taking
Listen, if you don't do the
Okay,
walk and
fine.
turn, your lawyer would gladly tell you that I can just arrest you just based off of
I'll do it,
Nystagmus,
but
okay?
I cannot do it. I have flat feet. Okay, fine.
okay?
Even my kid has it.
Alright, that's fine. People with flat feet play sports, right?
No, they don't.
They don't?
They cannot.
Very
They
interesting.
can't even be in the
Okay.
army.
Okay. So just do me a favor. What I want you to do is, the starting point is gonna be, we're gonna use this yellow line, okay? Put your left foot in front. Just put your left foot in front, left foot first. Right foot in front. And your hands to your sides. And I need you to, no, don't start. I didn't say start. Okay? Do me a favor, you gotta stay in that position. Left foot front. If you're not cooperative, I'm gonna arrest you.
I'm cold.
I just need you to be cooperative, okay?
Can I get my coat?
You want to do it with the coat on? Okay, stay right there. Just do me a
Can
favor.
you feel how cold it is?
I'm
You are
pretty
feel
aware.
a lot.
I'm pretty aware of how cold it is. Just do me a favor. Put your left foot on the line. Left foot first. You can do it like that too. Right foot in front.
Oh, God. I don't know my right from my wrong.
Listen, I'm gonna give you one more shot.
I
Because if
don't
not,
say
then
right
I'm just
from
gonna
left.
arrest you at this point. Because you're not following directions, you're not being cooperative. I'm giving you what you're asking for. I don't know what they said to you prior to me getting here, and I really don't care. That has nothing to do with me. But I'm
Mario!
trying to. All right, do me a favor. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your phone down. Put your hands behind your back.
And the vehicle has a Uber sign that's lit up on the right-hand side, passenger side. So occupied times 2, and an Uber sign on the passenger side of the vehicle for that white Honda out of Weehawken.
Alyssa, you search it for me, please.
Don't do nothing, please. Please.
They have my phone!
That's okay. You got your phone, I got your purse.
123.
Yo, my man, you're about to get locked up for obstruction, bro. I'm telling you. Can you sit? He can get it at headquarters.
Siri, what's Mario's
Yo,
number?
put her ass in there. You you've been on the phone with your lawyer the whole time. All right, so she gets hit with restrictions now. No.
So how would he even do that?
One shot.
Why would he do that?
Marv, come real quick, because I got her stuff. You want to put her leg in there?
No, can you let them know my fucking lawyer's number?
This is from a third-party caller.
What side she's on? This one?
Both of these.
I know. I know.
What did I do wrong?
Let's go. Come on.
Legitimately, from being in a car and turning it on and fucking putting heat on. You tell me.
Well, when the other officers get here, they can explain
Let
that
the
to you.
recording let them know.
Don't worry, we're recording.
Because I know.
We
it's
got body
illegal.
cams on, we're recording.
Yeah, I hope so.
Oh, you see the red ring? It's on there.
What are you? Are you a bomber or are you a pusher?
Yeah.
Are you a puller or a pusher?
Whatever that means.
You know what it means.
I got it. Oh, stand up, stand up, stand up.
Come on, stand up.
You want to go right here? So get up. You're acting
You
like a
guys are
child.
fucking me up!
You're not fucking
What I
you up.
am! Stop pushing me!
Let's go, stand up, stand up.
No, you fucked up my fucking wrist and I tried to fuck up my
know.
fucking shoulder?
Okay.
You guys are a piece of shit.
Ileni called the officers newborns, but the records prove she's the veteran here, a veteran of 5 previous DWIs. Tonight, she refused the breath test while driving illegally without her court-ordered interlock device. She tried to play the victim, but the body cam never lies. The question is, after 6 strikes, should she ever be allowed behind a wheel again? Drop your verdict in the comments. If you want more breakdowns like this, hit that like button and subscribe right now.